Good day, friends. It is me, HL Mod Tech, and I'm back with another sweet episode of our Greatest Paper Airplanes lessons. Today, I'm going to take you to another one of those easy planes, so it's easy to build and fun to fly. So, my friends, let's get cracking. As usual, remember there'll be a link in the description. It is on Classic Reloaded. When you hit start, that sweet little DOS box kicks in and takes control of your cursor, so it'll stay in this little area. I will remind you that I've also zoomed in to 200%, so mine is much larger. And there you can see it says use the ESC key, which is escape, to get your cursor working. Once you double click, it'll launch. You may notice in the corner I have the sound shut off. That is just so I don't have to hear it while I record. Alrighty, friends, so today we are going to go into the planes, and in the planes we are going to find the More tab. The More tab gives us 5 more flights to pick from. When we get there, I would like you to look at Research Craft, and of the Research Craft, this one right here, the Trireme, is a tiny square nose craft made from a strip of paper instead of a large sheet. So let's check out this easy little plane. First, it's the strip of paper you cut off in order to make it square. So that's what we need for this plane. If you haven't made a piece of square paper, you can go back to the paper plane and they talk to you about basics and they show you one way to make square paper. So an easy way is to fold the top, and if you watch here they show you, and it makes that line so that it lines up with the bottom edge. If you cut that strip off, it is perfectly square then. And then lots of planes use a square piece. Today, we're using the strip. I'm going to go back to the cover, or let me show you another way to get there. We're going to click planes, we're going to go down to Research Craft, and we can actually find the Trireme just like that again. I'm going to turn on continuous so we can just watch it go once before you actually build it on your own. So it goes corner to corner, and then comes across and makes a middle in the other angle. Interesting. Double folds down, triple folds down, so it's going to have a weighted front end. Little winglets, which we've been a fan of those on a lot of our planes. And then the actual wings. That is a really interesting flyer, and as you can see, pretty easy to fold. So now I'm going to shut off continuous, and I'm going to do advanced so I can skip all the way back to the back, and then I'm going to shut off advanced, and at this point you could build and test the Trireme. Alrighty, friends, so I have made and tested this plane here, but I'm not going to share those results with you because I think it's much more fun if you're the ones actually out there exploring, testing, and then tweaking your planes so they do what you want. Friends, if you had fun with this video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL Mod Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.